In this video, I'll show you how to download YouTube app on your PC or laptop. It's super easy, but before that, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because this really helps me out. Well, so now to download the YouTube app, the very first thing that you have to do is simply go and open up any browser from your choice. I'm going to open up the Chrome browser, and from the Chrome browser homepage, go ahead and open up the YouTube or go to the youtube.com. Now, once you're here inside the YouTube homepage, all you have to do is simply go ahead and go to the top right here and click on this three-dot line and come to this option called Cast, Save and Share. Under this point, you'll get to see the Install YouTube. You just need to click on this and click on Install, and the YouTube will be immediately installed on your computer. So if I get back from here, I'll get to see the YouTube icon has been added here. Now you can directly open this up and you can use the YouTube app from your computer. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.